Recursion for Dummies.
I'm Joey Krempa.
Hi, I'm Matt Carson.
Hi, I'm Tom Fargos.
Hi, I'm Zach Howard.
Hi, I'm Will Powell.
Today we're going to teach you a little bit about recursion, which is a method used in computer science to make code more elegant by using a function that calls itself.
Recursion can be seen in computer science and also the real world. We're going to give you a real world example talking about MRSA, a skin infection that's commonly spread throughout a population. We're going to give you an example about how it's commonly spread in sports teams, especially this university.
First, Will Powell is going to give you a more technical definition of what recursion actually is. Okay guys, so a recursive function in computer science is any function that calls itself within the function. So actually we can look at all recursive functions because they all follow kind of the same basic format. So what you'll have is you'll have an if something, an if statement, you're going to return a non-recursive value, and then you'll have an elif, a bunch of elifs or elses, which will mean if you're in those, you'll return something recursive. So what return recursive means is you're actually going to call the same function within itself. So this would be, recursion example would be called within it, and you're going to loop through that, or not actually loop through, but you're going to keep calling your own function over and over again until you get to your if statement, which is like a base case. And the base case will have a non-recursive value that you're going to return, and then you're going to sort of move through your function and keep calling it down, and then get to your base case, and then use that to build all the way up to get a value for your recursive function.
Next, we're going to go into our real-world example, which will be using MRSA, a skin disease that spreads by skin-to-skin contact. MRSA is a great example of recursion because the first person who gets the MRSA disease acts as the base case, and then it spreads recursively the same way through skin-to-skin contact in each person that it touches, therefore calling the function each time like a recursive function.
I'm trying to figure out this 110 word, this recursion stuff. Itchy, man. Oh, guys, what's up?
Yo, what's up, Joey? What's up, man?
Oh, man.
It's good, Joey.
I gotta go finish this homework. I'll catch you guys later, though.
Got this itch, man.
Yeah.
Oh no, so itchy. Oh no. Yo, what's up, man? What's up? I'm good, man. How are you? How are you? Dude? Oh.
Oh, you itching? Oh, yeah.
Oh no. Oh shoot. Oh, me too. Good.
Oh yeah, what's up, Fark?
Let's go,
How we
Will.
doing, man? How you doing?
Doing good.
Oh. God, itchy.
So why are you itching?
My wrist is just, it's so itchy today. I don't know what to do. Looks like we all got MRSA. So as you can see from the video, Joey, or the first person that got MRSA, was our base case. And through the DAP, or the skin contact, that's how MRSA was spread. That's how recursion formed and went on and on. And then from there on, another DAP happened, and then recursion happened again. So the same function was calling. So basically, the handshake is calling recursion. It's calling the function again. And that's how it spread throughout the population, and so on continues.
Thanks for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed learning a little bit of something about recursion. Some other fun examples include Russian nesting dolls and compounding interest. And sometimes people think that recursion can be a little more difficult than, especially for novices at attacking problems in comparison to doing it through using an iterative function. But using recursion can actually be a lot more elegant and allows you to break down bigger problems into smaller problems. So whenever you guys have a problem set due next Tuesday, it's up to you to think about which way you want to attack it.
Welcome to Recursion for Dummies.
I'm Joey Krempa.
Hi, I'm Matt Carson.
Hi, I'm Tom Fargos.
Hi, I'm Zach Howard.
Hi, I'm Will Powell.
Today we're going to teach you a little bit about recursion, which is a computer science method used to make code more elegant by